In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom ribbon tab and quick access toolbar, QAT, shortcuts in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have your favorite tools exactly where you want them, so you can work faster and stay focused on your content. Start by opening PowerPoint and heading to the File menu in the top left corner. Choose Options to open the PowerPoint Options window. On the left side, select Customize Ribbon. This is the control center for what appears across the top of your workspace. You'll see the built-in tabs on the right and a list of available commands on the left. To create your own place for the tools you use most, click New Tab. PowerPoint will add a new custom tab along with a default group inside it. Think of a tab as the big label across the top, like Home or Insert, and a group as the smaller section inside a tab, like Clipboard or Font. Click the custom tab you just created, then click Rename to give it a clear, meaningful name, such as My Tools or Design Shortcuts. You can also select the default group and rename it to match a theme, like Images, Formatting, or Review. Next, let's fill those groups with the commands you rely on. In the left panel, browse the list of commands. If you don't see what you need, change the Choose Commands From drop-down to All Commands to reveal everything PowerPoint offers. Click a command you want, make sure the target group on the right is selected, and then click Add. Repeat this to build out your custom group. It's helpful to group commands by task, so when you're working, your eyes know exactly where to go. Now, let's add shortcuts to the Quick Access toolbar for one-click access to your absolute essentials. Go back to File, choose Options, and this time select Quick Access Toolbar. Just like before, pick commands from the list on the left and click Add to place them on the QAT. These shortcuts appear at the very top of PowerPoint, so choose actions you use constantly, such as Save, Undo, or a favorite alignment tool. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply your changes. Your custom tab will appear across the ribbon with your named groups and chosen commands, and your QAT shortcuts will be ready at the top of the window. From here on, everyday tasks will be faster and more consistent. If you ever refine your workflow, you can return to these same menus and adjust your setup to match how you work best.